The very back talks about making connections. They talk, you listen.
It's a program that is like an elective that we have here in this RSAT community that we could take.
Kids read your faces more than they hear you sometimes.
The Family Engagement Program is designed to give parents and caregivers tools to better raise their kids.
It's a parenting/gardening class.
Parents will talk to you, they'll tell you exactly what they need and when they need it.
I am glad you said that because children will tell you what they need. Exactly. Babies will tell you what they need, and they may not be able to say it orally.
This is something that they elected. They said, I want to learn about that. I want to learn how to be a better parent, a better nurturer. I want to learn how to grow something from the ground up and take care of it on my own.
Communication. Child to garden.
They definitely go together because like with the whole nurturing of your children, you have to nurture the plants. You got to nurture the vegetables. If you neglect them, then they're going to fail. If you neglect your children, they're going to fail.
How does a plant bear fruit? What does it need?
It needs love.
A lot of them, when they first started this class, didn't feel they could talk to their children, didn't feel they'd be able to go back and have a good rapport.
Plant needs nutrition just as well as a child does for it to grow. I want daughters, so it's something I want to plant in my house, you know, some sunflower seeds for my baby girl.
All of it is communication with their kids.
So similar for the babies.
And you can be a parent in a responsible way by just doing little things, but you're bonding.
We've seen depression, anxiety, and stress levels drop very significantly for the guys as they take these classes.
Cucumbers and melons, we've got corn.
It puts your mind on a different kind of a focus. It's a whole new area. It's a filler for the substitute of drug abuse to doing something constructive that's going to help not only you, but everybody else around you.
And when they go home, they can garden with their kids. It will get communication going. It will get those parenting skills going. It's planting the seed for the child and for them.
I feel more prepared that I have the tools that it makes me want to get out there and be the parent that I can be learning from this program.
It helps reduce recidivism because they have a better relationship with their families on the outside and they want to keep with that.